Good morning mga ka-experience. This is Moto X again, and we're now testing the day and night settings for the DJI Osmo Action 4. And well, meron ng 5 ah. Hindi yun ang kinuha ko. Isa lang ang simple sagot dyan. Wala akong pera. So, anyway, yun nga, I started creating content for my page about 2-3 months ago, and nag-umpisa talaga ako sa C100 ng SJ Cam. So sabi ko, I wanted to get my setup as cheap or as affordable as possible. Sobrang mura lang talaga kasi try ko lang naman mag video ganyan. And so hindi na ako nakontento. Parang 1080p lang yata ang pinaka highest resolution niya. So naghanap ako ng 4K. So I got the SJ Cam C200, and it only cost me about like 4,000, I think. 4,000. And so I got it mainly for the 4K feature at 30 fps. So di na masama. So I tried it and used it for as my main cam dito sa helmet. And napapansin ko medyo malapit yung field of view, or medyo maliit yung field of view. So I wanted to get something that's wider. So I did research, and of course ang gusto ko pa rin sana is SJ Cam, mainly because it's way cheaper than the other big brands. So I got the SJ Cam SJ8, and they claim that the field of view is 170 degrees. So natuwa ako, sabi ko makukuha ako na yung mga ultra wide shots na nakikita ako sa mga ibang karespeto nating mga motovloggers. And then so, nung ginamit ko siya, na-disappoint ako kasi unang-una hindi na maganda yung audio niya. Tapos hindi pa rin ganun yung field of view na hinahanap ko. So parang ang narrow pa din when they claim that it's 170 degrees. So ayun nga, di nagtagal, I decided to get a more expensive a more expensive option. So nakikita ko nga sa mga ibang nagmo-motovlog, they have the they got the DJI product line. So I tried nung April 4, since sale, I got the DJI Osmo Action 4. So kaso wala nga tayong pambili ng Action 5 Pro, masyado pang mahal. So I got the Action 4, which actually still does the same job of giving what's expected. Kasi on paper or on specs, DJI Osmo Action 4, ang field of view nila is like 155 degree field of view angle. But when I tried it, ito nga, so napakaganda nung field of view niya, ultra wide talaga. Tapos as in tunay na ultra wide, and walang sablay. Ang ganda ng audio, ang ganda ng resolution, 'di ba? So nakikita niyo naman ngayon, napakalinaw. And so gitong itsura niya sa low light settings, and ito naman sa gabi.
of flashback.
Ano ba sa CPN?
CP. Baliktad kasi.
So, yun na nga, samahan niyo ako as I head home using my DJI Osmo Action 4. Let's go, people. Pangit talaga ng daan dito sa Maynila. Eme.